When okay, we'll go for the binary to the decimal conversion using the recursive function. First step, we're going to starting with the start with respect to the algorithm. Step 2, read numbers. Now we should read the n numbers. If we go for the example as a binary number, you take the 0011. That should be converted to the decimal conversion. If number is not equals to 0, then go to step 4, or else step 7 directly should go for the printing the decimal. If the number, if I take the assume the number as the number, if you take the number as the 0, okay, 0 1 1, okay, we know the 0 0 1 1, the binary is 3. Okay, the decimal. Okay, when you go for the decimal, it becomes the decimal as a. When I take the binary and a decimal conversion, when you make it becomes it as a number is a. Next, if the number is not equals to 0, in that case, we go for a step 4. Calculate remainder number by 2. Get n value by n divided by 2 number. Step 5. Calculate decimal by adding decimal and remainder by multiply power of 2 to the power of I. That we are going for the decimal number and adding with the remainder into the power of 2 to the power of I. That the I we are going to be increasing one by one, that is I plus plus. It goes on until the loop when n becomes it as a 0, unless till n equals to 0. When it becomes n equals to 0, then it is going to printing the decimal number. Then last step we are going for the stop. Step 8 is the stop. This is the algorithm for the binary to decimal conversion. Now I will go with the algorithm. The algorithm we are going to go for it. With respect to these steps algorithm, I'm going to explain you the step by step how the execution process is going to be taken place. Then we will go with the programming. First, if assume it the n number, n equals to, if you go for the 0011 as a number. Next, okay, we'll go for the algorithm. While n is not equals to 0, in that case, reminder, the steps are reminder equals to the variable I'm taking it n divided by 10. Next, n equals to n divided by 10. Decimal equals to decimal plus reminder into power function of 2 comma I. The I variable I'm taking it, okay, that should be incremented every time. We'll go with this algorithm now. this function should be executed. Now, if I take the number as a n equals to 0000. However, we note what will be the decimal number of 0011. So we will going for the compute the using this statements, that is a while loop statement, one by one. First, I'll go with this while. Okay, n number is nothing but I'll go for double zero double one. It is not equals to 0. Okay. Hence, we call hence it is a true statement. That is double one is not equals to true. When it is a true statement, then it enters into the body of the while loop. That is a reminder. Okay, reminder equals to we'll go for a 0011. Okay, mod 10. Then we will get the answer. It is as what will be this? That is 0011 mod 10. We are getting it as the 11 mod 10. That is called as a Raman. Then n equals to n divided 0011. Okay, divided by 10. That the result we will get is that is 11 divided by 10. We will take it as an integer as the one. Next, decimal. Okay, decimal is equal to decimal value initially. Okay, we should remind it initially the decimal initially that is decimal is equals to 0. We are going to be declaring it I equals to 0. Then reminder equals to first reminder equals to 0. We are going to be declaring initial stages. Next, decimal equals to 0. Initially it is 0 for the first looping. Decimal plus reminder. What is the reminder? The reminder we have got the value it as a 1. 1 into power of 2 to the power of 0. That is 2 comma 0. Initially I told it I will be the 0. Then I plus plus. The I plus plus means it is called it as a already it was 0. 0 plus plus it will be 1. This is the statement. Now we have got with respect to the first statement we have got this. Now we'll say it. In this case, now reminder is equals to 1. Next, n is equals to 1. Next, decimal we have got it is a how much? What will be the decimal value here? Decimal value that is decimal equals to 0 plus 1 into power 2 to the power of 0. 2 to the power of 0 is the 1. 1 into 1, 1 plus 0. The decimal we are getting it as a I equals to we are getting it as a 5. With respect to that, we are going to for the next step. While looping. Okay, I'll check whether the loop statement is correct or not. Here, while n we have got the concept. In this statement, we are considering it n is nothing but a 1. 1 is not equals to 0. 1 is not equals to 0. Fine. Reminder equals to with respect to the formula, that is n mod 10, 1 mod 10, 1 mod, so 1 mod 10, we are getting the, what will be the remainder is the 1. Fine. Next, n equals to n divided by 10. N is 1, that is divided by 10, equals to, we are getting it as a 0.7. Next, decimal. Decimal equals to decimal plus remainder into the power of 2 to the power of I. Decimal we have got is a 1 plus remainder is the 1 into power function of 2 to the power 1, because I is what of 1. This the output will be the 3. Next, I plus plus. I plus plus. That I plus plus means 1 plus plus. 1 plus plus we are taking it as a, this is the, now we got this. No. After this, okay, what will be this answer for this? We'll go with this. What is the remainder? Remainder we have got it as a 1. Next, n equals to, we got it as 0. Then decimal we have got it as a 3. Next, I equals to 2. When with respect to this, okay, once again we go for the consideration of remainder and decimal, and the, when we go with this, while loop, while, what is the n? N equals to 0. Okay. Okay. In this case, 0 is not equals to 0. No, it is becomes the false. So it is false statements. Okay. False, then the body is not going to be executed. The body is not going to be executed. Then it doesn't comes into the concept of a, so at last we have got this, and then we will go for the printing the print the decimal. When you print the decimal value, we are going to be displaying this output. What will be on printing the decimal value? We are going to be getting the, what is the decimal value for 3. Already we have got the 3 by 3. Then the output will be, it will be displayed it as a, the decimal of, so the binary of 0011, it will be, it is going to be displayed it as a 3. If we know it 0011, the binary value, the conversion we are making it, then it is going to be displaying the decimal as a 3. Hence, we will get the output as a 3. Like this, we can go with any other binary numbers. You can go with the 1010. We know that 1010 is the decimal value is the 10. We come for computing of all the complete the location. We go for the completing the all the computational part as the binary to a decimal. Then we'll get the same decimal value. Now we'll go for the programming concept. Okay. When I go with the programming, uh, we go with the functioning. First, we are going to be declaring the binary. Declaring declaring function, declaring the function declaration. After declaring a function, okay, we are going to be defining a function. Defining function. That is binary to decimal. We'll start with the programming. Int main. Then long n we are taking it. That is a data type. We are going to be incrementing it. That is increasing the size of our data types in the C. 8 bytes we are taking it. Okay. Because we know the binary values when you're going for this 0011 or 00000011. In that cases, when we are going for converting it, then we'll get the size. Enter a binary number. Enter a binary number. Then we are taking this control string as the LLD, as the long D. Okay, it will be in a form of the integer type only. Ampersand n. Then we are going for displaying the binary numbers. If we give the 0011, if we give the 0011 in binary is equal to, it is going to be displaying the conversion of a binary to a decimal with respect to the function. That we'll see the function in the below. We can see here the binary number. The binary number, we are taking it binary, the binary to a decimal. That is long data type of n. If you are passing the n value as the 0011 as with respect to the example we have shown it now. Next, int decimal equals to 0, I is equal to 0, and the remainder. We are going for defining initial as the 0 for decimal and I, while n is not equals to 0. That just now we are saying this computation part of the while statement. With respect to that only same, remainder equals to n mod 10. Next, second step, you'll go for the n is equal to n divided by 10. Then decimal, we are taking the decimal plus remainder into power of 2 to the power of I. Then incrementing the I step. Same previous with the example. Next, after returning it, when it becomes the loop, the body of the while loop as a false, then it comes out of the while loop. Then return decimal. Then it's going to be displaying this binary value. When you compile it, same program, compile, execute. Okay, enter the binary number. If the binary numbers I'm taking it is 0011, okay, then it is going to be converting with respect to the given function with the while loop. Then 11, that is initially we are taking 0011 is that, then if 00 it is going to be not going to be displaying it. Okay, it takes it is a number as a 1 1 11 in 1 1 in binary is 3 in a decimal. You got the output. When you see the other output, next binary number 1010. When you take the 1010, the binary of 1010 is the 10 in a decimal. Like this, it is going to be okay computing with respect to our algorithm. If you take this 1111, okay, the binary of 111 is 15 in a decimal. Like this, the program is going to be executed.